Yo, 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 yo! What is up, everybody? Happy New Year! Hope you had a great New Year and Christmas break. I did. It was awesome. Anyway, we're back on the bike. We're heading into the city. Been on a bit of a mission this afternoon to get some stuff. You probably can't see it. It's behind me. The TT2000 is like not far away. So that's what my mind's on. That's what I'm getting ready for. Another trip down to the South Island. A 2,000 kilometer rally and 48 hours. So that's going to be mean. Looking forward to it. Well, we're going into the city. We're going to meet up with all the usual suspects, which will be cool because we haven't ridden together for ages. Let's see who's there. It's Friday, Friday. Gonna get down on Friday. What are you laughing at, mate? Alright, guess what you think it is. Oh yeah! Dabs. Alright, let's wait for everyone else to turn up. Look at that, factory fresh. This has got like 300 Ks on the clock. Look at that. Safe as. Safe as. Right, let's get the show on the road. We're gonna go find some spots. So yeah, Bike Night is back, 2019, better than ever, and all that other inspirational stuff. We're gonna go hit up some spots. Woo, close. He's cheating, he's got his motor on. I'm having fun. Sam come to practice a wheelie or two, has he? Alright, let's ride this bad boy. Woo. Oh, this feels so little. No, I don't like it. It's not my bike. 3, 2, 1, go!
I reckon that was pretty close.
I thought that was pretty close. 6 chicane. Wow. What are you doing?
Stuck in a rut.
Yeah, I feel like I might need to let a couple of PSI out for this challenging section right here. It's quite technical, really. This is a back straight. You really get up a head of steam coming into here. And then into the little dipper into the hairpin. It's just like Suzuki. Do some bouldering. Oh, off-road. so heavy. Majestic. There's a police helicopter. And there's a police car at the roundabout coming down the hill. No, I think we're good. Paint me like your French girls, yes. We're all gonna die! Ah, the intrepid explorers. Oh, this is going to be fun. Just move the fence. Can we move the fence? It's a DRZ. It'll be fine. Stay there, baby.
Oh,
Aww.
you gotta turn around.
Oh, he's game. What about here? Stop. We can turn around there.
Can you go over there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Nah.
No, get a run up. You'll be fine. Yeah, just pop a foot down, turn around, look along the top, slide it down, you'll be good. How's it going, mate?
Someone fall over.
No. Saving the day. Go backwards, you heifer lump. Use the force, my son. DRZ's alright, he's just having a little nap. Good thing this thing doesn't weigh anything.
Isn't 6 mil like nothing?
Yeah.
I'm
trying to cut down 18.
Bro, do some smoke effects for my video. That's good.
Fucking smoke machine over here. I just imagine with a school ball.
Oh, that's not a